wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best vegan cookbooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you have a sweet tooth, modern vegan baking will give you the tools you need to satisfy your cravings. Author Gretchen Price describes in easy-to-follow steps how to prepare tasty treats like salted caramels, tarts, muffins, and more. The recipes can be modified, and it explains where the ingredients are from. However, there are few photo illustrations. At number 9, Vegan for Everybody from America's Test Kitchen will show you how to make over 200 dishes using fresh whole ingredients. You'll also learn which plant-based protein sources to include in your cooking to keep you feeling full and satisfied, never deprived. A spiral-bound version is also available, and the print is clear and easy to read, but the salad section is uninspired. Coming in at number 8 on our list, The First Mess by Laura Wright emphasizes seasonal ingredients, so you'll always have a diverse selection of meals to choose from no matter what produce is available at your local market. It's a treasure trove of ideas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's printed on thick paper and contains many useful tips for troubleshooting. However, the dishes are often soy-heavy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vegan cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for lovers of Southern fare, Timothy Pacron's Mississippi Vegan is a wonderful choice. He demonstrates how to prepare classic dishes like cornbread, gumbo, and grits in a manner that's accessible and a whole lot of fun too. It features holiday recipes and incorporates a wide range of spices, but the techniques can be hard to master. Moving up our list to number 6, The Vegan 8 by Brandy Doming is ideal for folks who don't want to spend excessive time and money fixing up herbivore-friendly cuisine. Each recipe requires a maximum of 8 ingredients, which is what makes this one of the best introductions to veganism out there. It contains many gluten-free dishes and is good for families with kids. However, it lacks low-fat options. Halfway up our list at number 5. Fuss Free is designed to give plant-based eaters the chance to prepare their favorite comfort foods without sacrificing flavor. Author Sam Turnbull makes a point of laying out straightforward steps so you can enjoy a frustration-free experience. It includes appetizing photographs and uses common ingredients, but most dishes are high in carbs. At number 4, in Eat Feel Fresh, Sahara Rose Katabi outlines recipes inspired by the ancient Ayurvedic approach to health, which focuses on the positive role food can play in overall well-being. If nutrition is a priority for you, this title definitely deserves a spot on your bookshelf. It explains the process of digestion and promotes intuitive eating. It incorporates nutritional science. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Forks Over Knives by Del Srofe is a fantastic resource for individuals who are not only looking for simple, healthy vegan meals, but ones that don't call for a ton of expensive ingredients. Plus, it features a no-cheese sauce for former dairy lovers. It's based on an award-winning documentary and available on Kindle. It's affordably priced too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vegan cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Isa Does It will make mealtimes run more smoothly, as author Isa Chandra Moskovitz has collected her most scrumptious, quick-to-prepare dishes in this handy guide. It boasts a combination of hand-drawn illustrations and photography for clarity. It's accessible and humorous, and includes many soup recipes, along with helpful allergen substitution lists. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Oh She Glows by Angela Liddon proves that transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't mean a commitment to bland, boring cuisine. In its pages, you'll find instructions for creating mouth-watering cookies, burgers, pies, and beyond. It's great for smoothie fans and includes a wide variety of dishes, along with a useful pantry section. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vegan cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video.